Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto connection is not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check charger. After check charger, clear cache of Android updates. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search Android update. Now click on Android update. Scroll down, click on storage, add cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates. Scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix auto connection is not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.